people think again in just I just hear this in conversations from small to medium business owners, that it's super expensive, so they can't afford it. It's not interesting. You try to have a conversation with someone about cyber security, and that you can see their face glaze over if they're not in the industry. Obviously, we all go to lots of conferences, and this is our thing. This is our passion. This is what we enjoy. But if that's not your thing, they just glaze right over. And again, it's I think changing perceptions that it's a technical risk, it's a technical problem, not a business problem. And actually, how does it link to income generation and profits and loss, etc.?